Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the black 7.3. Figured I'd start recording now at the very beginning of this entire process because the truck is getting wrapped, pretty much. Not going to tell you what color yet till it's done, but getting the thing wrapped. And first thing I want to start with is putting two good fenders on the thing, because if you remember watching the channel, probably I want to say it was 3 years ago, I used to have this truck leveled on these tires, just leveled. These are 36 by 15.5s on a 20 by 14 wheel. So, did some pretty extensive fender pushback and weld back together kind of deal. Factory fenders are not shaped like that. It's kind of cool though. It gave the truck like a pre-runner look, but fenders got to go for the wrap. So, show you guys the fenders we're putting on it. Got these white fenders from Arizona that actually came off this shorty that are going on that truck. So gonna get those on there. No rust on them, nothing. So should be good to go for wrapping them. And yeah, so we're gonna get to it. Take these fenders off, put the white ones on, and see how it goes. So keep you guys updated. First step to getting this thing wrapped. All right, guys. So a little update. Got the two good fenders on it. Didn't go too bad. Hardest part with doing this is always just the alignment, getting it all aligned and everything situated, but got them in there. I know it's kind of sad seeing the truck no longer all black. I love black trucks and whatever, but it's for a good reason. It's gonna look way better after it's wrapped. There's no, I mean, honestly, already with just a normal fender on it without the weird chopping up there, makes a world of difference with the truck. So get that on. The front bumper's off, this side fender's on. So yeah, things already looking way different. It's pretty crazy. So next step is putting the bumper on. I'm gonna be doing a crazy mix of bumpers, so pretty much this bumper that's on the shorty is gonna be going on this. This is the truck I took off it. This is the bumper I took off it. That's gonna be going on the red shorty. This is the bumper that came off the red shorty. That's going on this truck. Swapping literally 3 bumpers so that this one has a good bumper. And that one has the second best bumper. And yeah, so it goes on. So new bumper for these things are like $450, and I just don't think it's necessary to do that when I have good bumpers here and I can swap them out. The reason why I had to do it is because I think I showed you just bubbling and the bumper that came off of it. So yeah, that's next. That's gonna be super simple, so I'm not really worried about it. So stay tuned, and we're gonna see what happens next with this thing to prep it for a wrap. So I'm gonna start this video just showing the engine here, and I know this has nothing to do with what this video started off as, but I'm just gonna slowly walk into what this truck looks like. I mean, it's pretty insane, the transformation with it, and it's really just amazing to me because this truck's come such a long way. I could show some pictures of what it used to look like when I first bought it. But this is pretty insane to me, and so I guess we'll just go right into it. I think the last clip you saw was of the truck with the white fenders on it. I did some things after that. I think I might have forgot to record, but yeah, this is the truck. As you can see, way different than how it used to look. I decided to go with nardo gray on the wrap. There's another color for it that the actual wrap's called, but it pretty much resembles nardo gray. I forgot what the exact color is. I've written down somewhere. I'm sure someone could correct me on that. But just more than I could have imagined. I what I didn't show you is, you saw I put the different fenders on that didn't have the back chopped like that, like how I had the old fenders. I also got a brand new bumper without the plastic trim underneath it. That way the whole front bumper could get wrapped. So I did that, brand new front bumper. It's like a work truck bumper, except it was all chrome that way it could be wrapped over. Then I went with the cowl hood. This is the cowl hood I actually had on the shorty that I recently revealed. Took that off, put it on this because this one's getting wrapped. The shorty's gonna get wrapped eventually soon, but once that one gets wrapped, I'm just gonna buy another cowl hood. This was just the most convenient for the time being to do. It's also why I snagged the grill off this. However, I think this is gonna go back on the shorty. I'm gonna end up getting a different grill for this. But I mean, it doesn't look too bad right now how it is, but I think I'm gonna go with a different grill. Keep going around the truck here for you guys, but it's really more than I could have expected. I'll also just do a quick overview while I'm walking around it, in case you're new to the channel. 20 by 14 XD buck wheels, 36 by 15.5 Mickey Thompson tires, 8-inch lift, probably a little more than 8-inch to be honest. It's kind of a custom lift that I kind of pieced together. Dual bilstein shocks up front. You got 4-inch lift springs with 4-inch drop brackets up front. Dual steering stabilizers. Extended drag bar from Sky Automotive. You got this big track bar from PMF. I think it's called like their Monsters. I forgot what it was called, but big old track bar. Yeah, so that's really suspension wise. Then I just got blocks in the rear for the lift. And yeah, cry about it. I know. I'll get suspension leaves eventually. Probably when I powder coat everything, I'm gonna do that. That's why I've been waiting on that. So I'm gonna powder coat the entire suspension of this truck. It's kind of the next phase I'm going for. Yeah, damn sun. It's not my favorite. We'll get to this side here though. You can really see it. Just more than I could have ever imagined. The reason why I got the truck wrapped was because, I don't know if you really know, it's hard to see it in camera from previous videos, but it was like 50 shades of black pretty much. Lots of different colors of black, and I just wanted it one color, and I really didn't feel like taking the whole truck apart and doing the whole bodywork thing. Also would have been 2 times the amount of money. This was just the simplest, nicest route, and I'm pretty happy I went this way. Got it done by ACI Dynamix in Connecticut here, and they wrapped everything they really could. That's what I told them to do. So rear bumper's wrapped. Also brought this black back to life. That looks pretty sweet. It's even dirty right now. That's the funny part. It's not even clean. Also got Flight Fab ladder bars in the rear. Not sure if you guys seen that. Oh, forgot to mention different headlights. These are newer 05 headlights with the clear lenses. The other ones are honestly starting to get yellow, and they had to reflect the amber reflectors here. So swap those out. It's also got LED bulbs in it now. I'm gonna try to get a clip for it when I have the rock lights on. I'll show you the interior. Sorry, if you've seen this, you can click off, but just wanted, as a full build update. I know you guys haven't seen the whole truck in a while. King Ranch front seats, King Ranch center console, Jelly built tuned. Yeah, so King Ranch interior, and I'll show you guys what's done under the hood. But before I even get under the hood, it is a ZF6 swapped at one point, put a whole remanufactured ZF6 in this thing. So I mean, everything's new on this truck pretty much. There's nothing that I haven't touched yet besides the rear diff. That's the only thing. Pop the hood and show you guys quickly what's under there. So I had the whole engine out at one point. Engine's got 95,000 miles on it, but did the whole T4 turbo kit swap. Everything's powder coat illusion, blueberry. Plenum's included. I know you can't see that right now, but plenums, valve covers, intercooler pipes, turbo housing. 250, 200% injectors, Jelly built tunes, bunch of other goodies. But I mean, this thing, it's got a lot of work done to it, and it's come a really long way from where it started. So again, just looks amazing. Trying to get all different angles for you guys, especially guys that have been watching this thing for a long time. Probably had it on the channel for 5 years now. Okay, so I figured I'd get a video of it a little bit at night with the rock lights on and the headlights on. It's not too dark, because if it was too dark then you can't even see the truck, but I don't know, maybe it'll give some justice. But I figure I'll end off the video like this. I would like to mention, if you are new to the channel, there's an entire build on this truck from scratch, from when it was completely stock to how it is now. So if you go on the channel and scroll through my videos, you'll be able to find all of those videos of how basically this truck's gotten to where it is at today. It's come a really long way. I mean, when I started this, everyone told me that it was just a rot box and a piece of junk, pretty much. I mean, people would laugh at this thing. And this is pretty much what I had in mind that whole time. So, it's still not exactly perfect, and it's still not how... It's not done, pretty much. It'll never be done. I'll always be doing something to it. But it's just amazing how this came out, and super happy with the end result. So hope you guys are too. Let me know how you feel about it, but yeah, just happy with it. It's bumper lights. I don't know, those are unique in my opinion. Not a lot of people have those, but the thing just looks great. So yeah, it's come a very long way in the past 5 years. I got this truck when I was 15, so let me know how you guys think of it, and definitely watch those previous videos if you're curious to how this truck got to where it's at and all the things that are actually done to this in depth. But it's only the beginning, guys. I'll always say that, because got a lot more coming for it. So stay tuned to the channel. I've got this truck, I've got the shorty in that garage, bunch of stuff going on to both those trucks, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you are new, and leave a like for me. It helps a lot with YouTube and how they like to, their whole algorithm with the videos. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.